Okay. Hi everyone, we're Team Zayin and we will be demonstrating our web application FairShare, which we created as our final project for CS326.
My name is Anthony. I'm a senior and I'm an informatics major.
My name is Shivani. I'm a microbiome and informatics major.
My name is Atmaja and I'm a junior biochemistry and informatics student. So the essence of our application FairShare is to enable students to share their experiences at career fairs with their peers. Inspired by a feature on the career networking platform Handshake, where students can share their experience working at a company, we felt it would be useful for students to share and exchange notes about their experiences at career fairs. For example, how their interaction with a specific talent acquisition employee went, or what certain companies look for over others, and much more. Since none of us had come across something that implemented this concept yet, we decided to take up the task. As implied above, FairShare primarily targets students and it allows them to make accounts, add posts relating to their personal career fair experiences, and interact with other posts through features like liking. Now we will walk through how to use the website.
Okay, so first, this is the home page, and uh, when a user got to the page, they have to go into the sign in and sign up page first. You can see that by when you click on other features, it doesn't work and it will redirect you to the sign in page. And here we'll create a user, we'll create a new user. We'll just name it user and just give it a password. And you can show password by checking the show password box. And here we see that the account is successfully created. And here we can log in with the credentials we just used. And here you can see that it's also, we just like match the username and password. And now we're logged in. And okay. And it also welcomed us with our username. Here now we can see that we can access our other features. So we already have certain career fairs and posts created. So you can see here, there are certain stuff. And we'll start by like adding a new career fair. So we'll just name it as a test career fair. And we'll just put UMass Amherst, give it a business major, and then we'll put in a date. Just put in Christmas, because why not? And then you can see here, the new career fair is created and it's shown in the table. And we can filter the table by selecting certain boxes, for example, computer science, and we just create a business career fair. So we also select that, it will also show up. And here, when we go into a specific career fair, right here, we can see that the post from previous users that they posted. And here, like you can see the like button that we can like. And there are like two other users already like another post. So first we'll by adding companies. So here we can see that there is a list of companies already added into this career fair. And for example, if we met a new company like just say Mass Mutual, and we can add the company and it will shows up in the list. And here we can create a new post. We'll just name it Mass Mutual. And then here we can select a company based on the list of over here. And we can select Mass Mutual and we can input our comments for it. Just say great conversation. And then we can select the rating. We'll give it a 5-star, why not? And then submit it. And here we can see that it pops up on the list of the posts on this side. And here we can see that there is an edit and delete button because we are the user who created this post, and it only shows up on the post that we made. And it's not showing up on the other pages or the other posts. So here we'll demonstrate the edit function. So when we click on edit, it will go into this edit page, and then it shows up the previous information that you typed in, the comments, the title. So here we can change, for example, we can change it to Mass Mutual is great, and we can add something into great conversation. Just say he's a nice guy, why not? And then we can also like change the ratings just to showcase it. And then here we can submit. And now it will bring us back to the post page, and we can see that the ratings, the title, and the comments are updated. And here we can also delete the post if we don't want it anymore. And here we delete it, and then now it's gone from the page. And then when we go back in again, it's not there anymore. So here, that's pretty much all our features. And at the end, we can just log out, and then we'll bring us back to the home page. And you can see right here, when we try to go to the career fair page or at career fair, it will redirect us to the sign in page.
Yeah, so the process of developing FairShare served as a valuable learning experience. My teammates and I were unfamiliar with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS prior to the class, but learning the relevant materials in lecture helped us implement the various aspects of our web application that were required at each stage. While the process of developing the wireframes went relatively smoothly, the implementation of the front end with JavaScript and the back end with Node.js proved to be much more challenging. It took time for us to figure out how to structure the endpoints, complete the corresponding backend skeleton code, implement the database, and deploy it to Heroku. But nevertheless, it was rewarding to see it all come together. In the future, we would take FairShare to the next level by refining the visual layout to improve the user experience. Additionally, we would like to try and incorporate features to make the site more interactive and engaging. First and foremost, we would like to implement a search bar that sifts through posts for keywords. We would also like to have a sort function for our posts so that we can arrange them alphabetically, by date, by company, etc. It would also be nice to have an upcoming career fairs page that only had an add company button, which would allow users to see which companies were going to be attending a career fair prior to the actual event. In light of the pandemic, we could have also had an option that discusses the method by which a career fair is being held, such as in-person and B-fairs. And lastly, we can implement a dislike function that toggles. For example, if you clicked like and then dislike, the like would disappear from the table and the dislike would prevail. Overall, FairShare has the potential to be a very useful tool, and working on the development of this website was very rewarding. Thank you for listening.